Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Bitcoin in Robinhood in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, Robinhood has rolled out some slick updates to make transfers easier and more secure. Whether you're moving BTC to another wallet for better yields or just diversifying your holdings, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Robinhood account set up and your Bitcoin ready to go. In 2025, Robinhood's interface is even more user-friendly, with enhanced security features like biometric login and real-time transaction monitoring. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your phone or logging in on your desktop. Once you're in, head straight to the Crypto tab. It's front and center for quick access. Next, locate your Bitcoin in your portfolio. Tap or click on it to open the details page. Here, you'll see an option labeled Transfer or Send, Receive. Select that, and you'll be prompted to choose whether you're sending to an external wallet or another Robinhood user. For external transfers, enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any mishaps. Then, input the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Robinhood in 2025 lets you see estimated fees and processing times up front, which is a game changer. Before you hit confirm, review everything. You'll get a summary of the transaction, including network fees and any potential taxes. Once you're good, authorize the transfer with your PIN or biometrics. Boom! Your Bitcoin is on its way. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the blockchain network. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for long-term storage to keep your assets safe from hacks. And remember, with 2025's regulations, keep an eye on any new compliance requirements. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay savvy out there. Thanks for watching.